Flatbread layers with mushrooms and cannonata sauce. A very original recipe, full of flavor and that can be prepared in a few minutes using our best-selling cannonata sauce. Ingredients for 2 people. Fresh mushrooms 300 grains. Cannonata half jar. Ricotta 200 grains. Parsley and basil a few leaves. Extra virgin olive oil 1 tablespoon. Salt and pepper. Ready to use unleavened bread 8. Rectangular sheets. Flour, type 0 100 grams. Extra virgin olive oil 1 teaspoon. Salt 1 pinch. Preparation. If you are using ready-to-use unleavened bread, go to the next step. Remove the dough from the blender, place it on a lightly floured cutting board, and cover.